y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this weekend I had the pleasure of dining in Atlanta. So I'm gonna share my final thoughts.
This is Bar Vegan, located in the Ponce City Market of Atlanta, Georgia.
So I ordered the red velvet French toast, and first impressions is it's giving small, plating wise. Yeah, it's giving kids menu. I'm very excited to taste it. I'm probably gonna have to order something else, so stay tuned. All right, so final thoughts on the red velvet. It was good. It was definitely good. I think we give it a Sister Girl Tuesday. But I wish there was more, but maybe that's the whole point. They leave you wanting more, which is always a good look, you know what I mean? Now I'm just waiting for the rest of my food. Is that white wonder? Sure. Gotta go. All right, getting into this chicken sandwich and fries. So I had two items, one savory and one sweet, and let me just let you know, they both hit. I think that, let's give it the pop-in rating. So P for presentation and plating. Yes, they definitely did that, especially when it came to the red velvet French toast. And the O is for the optics. Okay, very, very, very cute setup. I mean, from the lighting and the walls to the DJ, it was very much a vibe. And the last P being for punch. Let's do punch and price. So when it comes to the flavor of the food, I will definitely say that the chicken sandwich was well seasoned. It had a wonderful sauce on it. I'm not a huge fan of steak fries, so I won't put that into the rating because we don't want to bring it down. And then when it comes to the flavor of the French toast, I really like that it seemed like it was a French bread and it was just done really, really well. The strawberries were in season maybe, right? I don't know. They were hidden basically. And it had like candied nuts on it as well, and those were done really well. So yes, it definitely got the P for punch. Now when it comes to price, I just want you to be prepared to make sure that you had all of your tips from the week together, because it's a little pricey, but I had a great experience. So if you are visiting Atlanta and you want a vegan option with really, really good, it's an experience. They definitely create an experience for you. I would recommend going to Bar Vegan. So it got the P-O-P, and that means it's poppin'. And so you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.